In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Klarna for my business. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. I recommend doing this process on a computer through a web browser over at the Klarna website, but you can also do this on your phone as long as you open up a web browser and you go to the Klarna website. First of all, make sure you select the correct region by scrolling all the way down on the Klarna page and then clicking on the flag icon over here. Change your region to the corresponding region you are in the world to have access to all the business functionalities. Once you change it to the appropriate region, select For Business. It's usually located over here at the top left, but it might also be over here on this top bar depending on your region. So look for Business on the top row and you will be redirected to this page, where you can go ahead and read through all of this if you wish to get more information on how Klarna Business works and what benefits it can give to your business. However, if you are satisfied and you want to apply your business within Klarna Business, simply choose Get Started. Another tab will open, you will be redirected to this page. In here, as you can see, is where you can start the process to register your business within Klarna. So you need to include a business email, an e-commerce URL, and a country. So I'm just going to go ahead and include a random email address, a random URL for demonstration purposes only, and I'm going to choose any country from this list. When you select continue, you will be prompted to answer questions about your business size. So go ahead, answer the questions honestly, and choose whichever options best apply to you. As you can see, depending on the options you pick, Klarna will not accept your business within. So like I said, it's very important that you answer this honestly. And as long as you meet the guidelines for Klarna, they will be able to apply you in and you will be able to use Klarna services within your business. I hope I was able to help you on how to set up Klarna for my business. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.